Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are doing well today. I got another project here. Today I'll be swapping out the steering wheel for one of these IS250 F Sport steering wheel. Looks pretty cool. Feels nice too. And really all for the the paddle shifter, but it's a nice little upgrade. Before we get started, go ahead, like this video now or on your way out. If you're new to the video, go ahead and subscribe, turn that bell notification on so you don't miss a video. All right, let's just go get into it. Okay, so first what you want to do is go ahead and straighten your steering wheel as straight as possible. That's pretty straight to me. And of course, safety first. Disconnect your battery. Because we don't want our airbag blown up in your face. You just won't have a good day. You also need a T30 torque bit. And if you notice, right under the steering wheel or the steering column, right here, one on each side, you're just loosening that up. Now it won't drop on you, it's going to stay in there, so don't worry about it dropping. Okay, so what you want to do is like pull up on the back of this part right here, folding like this. The screw will fall right out. Do the same thing on the other side, and once you do that, the airbag comes out. And disconnect. Airbag's out. Let's put that somewhere. So now you have all of this. Go ahead and disconnect this wire from the clock spring. You're gonna need a little bit of force to get this one out. Got me some pliers. All right, let's. Okay, all right, that's out. And pliers are for this ground right here that I could not get off. And I still can't get it off. It's so tough. Ugh. Oh, okay. All right. Man. So next you would need to take this bolt off, which is a 19 millimeter. Let me grab that real quick. All right. So the best way to do this is to bang it all the way across, like this. And there you go. Just like that. All right. And one more thing is, don't mess with the clock spring. Don't turn it, don't tilt it, don't try to do whatever you want, because you want it to go back in the same way you took it off. So leave that alone. All right, so we got our old airbag, or the OEM IS300, and we got the ISF right here, IS250 F. We're just gonna swap the airbag from here to here.
These bolts, by the way, are 8 millimeter, so
gotta get it out of here first. From the side. All right, that lifts up. All right, I wanted to explain what I did here. So if we look from pin to pin, there's 6 pin total. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The third one from the left will always be empty. All right, so starting from the first pin, you have 2 wires, which is a white one and a black one right here. That is your downshift. The next pin, with your second pin, you have a red wire and a blue one, right? And that is your upshift. So what I did was I eliminated 2 wires. It doesn't really matter what wire you eliminate, just eliminate 2. And I decided to eliminate the black and the blue, and kept the white and the red. All right, moving along to the fourth pin, which is this one, is a yellow wire, and that is your ground wire. And what I did is I connected all the ground together into one and soldered it together. Onto your 5th pin, which is a red wire, also another red wire, but this is your cruise control wire. All right, next to the cruise control wire is a blue wire, which is your final pin, your 6th pin. This blue wire right here that has a spade connector, that will be your horn / ground connector. So take the time to go ahead and pause this video if you need to and look at the wiring. Okay, so I test fitted the steering wheel. The only problem we have here is this metal piece right here. The clock spring is it's a little bit wider than this opening. So, and this piece here, all it does is hold the wire together. You don't actually need it. You can just eliminate this completely. And this 2 screws here, you just take it off and eliminate that. Your clock spring should come right through. Line it up as straight as you can. See, that went in pretty well. That feels pretty good too. All right. Let's go ahead and connect this. Actually, let's put that bolt on. You want to torque it to 37, 38 foot-pounds. Okay, now we connect our wires.
We have this wire. All right. And this just snaps into place. Hopefully this isn't in the way. And it shouldn't be.
All right, so let's see here. So the downshift works, right? The upshift works, right? The horn works, obviously. Cruise control, lights on, that works too. All right. And that's actually a pretty nice looking steering wheel too, might I say. Hey, I hope you guys like what you saw there. It took quite a while to figure out what the wiring are. It's a nice looking steering wheel, by the way. Well, if you did like that, go ahead and smash that like button for me. And if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, turn the bell notification on so you don't miss a video. And I'm gonna try to release more contents as I go along. More and more will come along. All right, stay tuned, guys, and I'll see you next time. And thanks for watching.